Barren Point Front Bumper Installation Guide. Remove the original front bumper clips. Pry off the cover at the trailer hitch. Unscrew the screws here. Unplug the wiring harness. Remove the front bumper. Unscrew the screws of the lower guard plate, and remove the lower guard plate. Open the original front bumper inner panel. Remove the original radar. Unplug the wiring harness clip. Remove the wiring harness. Install the radar bracket on the front bumper. Note that adjust the orientation when installing the radar. Apply sponge pads. Cover with the top buckle. Adjust the bracket direction to flush with the edge. Remove the fixing clip here. Remove the cover here. Unplug the water pipe and camera data cable here. Remove the screws here. Remove the wheel arch trim. Remove the front grille. Remove the camera module. Assemble the front bumper camera bracket. Install the camera module onto the camera bracket, then mount it to the front bumper. Connect with extension cables and extension water pipes. Remove the adaptive cruise module. Install it onto the front bumper. Connect with an extension cable at this position. Install the winch bracket. Secure with original vehicle screws. Install the trailer hitch. Keep the bracket in a movable state. Dry fit the front bumper. Adjust the position. Tighten the screws. Install the connection bracket here. Tighten the screws. Connect all wiring harnesses and install the front bumper. Temporarily fasten the screws. Reinstall the winch bracket. Tighten the screws. Install the winch cover. Then install the lower guard plate. Tighten the screws. Install the pull tabs. Tighten the screws at both ends. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barron Point.